In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create title-only, content-only, and blank custom layouts in PowerPoint. Let's dive in by first launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have PowerPoint open, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find the File tab. However, for our purposes today, we'll skip over it and head directly to the ribbon where we'll click on the View tab. Once you're under the View tab, you'll see a section called Master Views. Here, click on Slide Master. This opens up a powerful editing view where you can see a list of slide thumbnails on the left. The largest thumbnail at the top is your main slide master, which serves as the blueprint for all your slide layouts. Let's start here by creating a completely blank custom layout. In the thumbnail pane on the left, find a gray space between the existing layouts, right-click, and select Insert Layout. Alternatively, you can use the Insert Layout button on the Slide Master tab above. A new layout, untitled at first, will magically appear in our list. Now select this new layout, and let's customize it. By clicking on the borders of the default placeholders, such as the title or any footers that may appear, you can hit the Delete key on your keyboard to clear them out. To give this layout a meaningful identity, right-click on its thumbnail, select Rename Layout, and type in something like blank or full image. Then, click Rename to save that title. Once you're satisfied with your setup, look for the Close Master View button on the Slide Master tab and give it a click. You're ready to see your work outside of the master view. Let's create a title-only custom layout now. Once again, click Insert Layout to add another new layout, and repeat the process of removing unnecessary placeholders, particularly any content or footer areas. Focus on keeping only the title placeholder. Feel free to adjust its size or position as you see fit. Once you've tailored this layout to your liking, right-click its thumbnail, choose Rename Layout, and designate it as Title Only before clicking Rename. Finalize your creation by returning to the Slide Master tab and pressing Close Master View. Finally, we'll craft a content-only layout. From the Slide Master view, click Insert Layout to generate yet another new layout, and this time, click the border of the title placeholder and press Delete to remove it. With just the content placeholder left, you can expand it to fill the entire slide, or even add additional placeholders for media by clicking Insert Placeholder on the Slide Master tab. These could be for pictures, videos, or charts, whatever you'll need frequently in your presentations. To wrap things up, right-click the thumbnail, select Rename Layout, and call it something like Content Only. Complete your process by hitting Close Master View. Now you have a set of custom layouts in your PowerPoint presentations, each designed to suit different needs, whether it's just a title, solely content, or a completely blank canvas. With these, you can elevate your presentation game significantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.